Like a bill of health. Like, do you see this? Like, can we give you volume? Can we give you definition? First of all, honey, because before I go into it, let me just take it down so you can get into this moisture. My curls are finally coming in. I am just so excited. The way it just slipped into my hair. When I tell you moisture, when I tell you I finger detangled, bitch, I did not even have to pick up the pick until like when I got to, I only picked up the pick after I wanted to like comb it all the way through after, just to make sure I didn't get no. Mama Monique, my hair smells beautiful. My hair smells so good. So guys, my hair, the curls. Do you see these curls? When I tell you my hair has bounced back, this right here, this right here, baby. Let me just throw this back here real quick as I talk about this mask. Okay, so the Rice Water Collection Clay Mask, it says you can also use it for your body, but I'm using it for my hair right now only. I kept it in for like, say 25 minutes, and when I tell you, the slip, baby, it's finger detangling my hair. Finger detangling. If y'all know me from the past, like friends, family, the whole nine, you know it is rare for me to finger detangle without a pick, without my Denman brush, or without my shampoo comb. Finger detangled. This stuff felt amazing when it was on my scalp. I feel like it really detoxified my hair, which it says that it does. And I also feel like the way it provided moisture back to my hair, because I don't know, I didn't even show my hair before. I'm gonna put in some clips right now. While my hair was in this state, I felt like, you know, the ends were very dry. So that is also what brought me to get the split end therapy. And to be honest, the consistency, look at it. It looks like milk, and I love that about it. So when I tell you that I am obsessed with this so far, I'm gonna try it on my body maybe tomorrow, but I'm gonna be using the hair milk today. And it says that if I put some of this in my hair, like palms, like they said a dime size, but you know, I'm gonna do a little nickel, and I'm gonna rub it through all through my hair. And then after my hair is done, it says either damp or dry, I can spray it. So I'll probably spray it after. Let's try that out right now. I could just feel it. I could just feel my curls like, Sandrea, thank you. Sis, we wanted this, we needed this. It's been too long. Look at it, moisturized. Split end therapy. I feel like it just added like an additional shine to my hair, and you can tell the little moisture that it provided too. Let's add some of that hair milk. I'm legit only using that much. Therapy one. Ooh, wait, I might have to do that instead. Oh wait, I'm about to do it like that. I'm gonna put the hair milk on first, put a little bit of the split end therapy on my hair, and then I'm gonna just add it to the ends, because the way that this baby just curled up, that's different. I'm a Monique, you are onto something. I'm going to be using my friend's silk head wrap. Follow her, sophisticated hairs. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you not see it? Either way, I'm going to be using my friend's silk head wrap for my edges, just to lay these bad boys down. So you guys know I love Mielle Organics, and I swear by her products, because from the moment I started using her in 2016, yep, 2016, my hair has not only gotten longer, it's gotten stronger, and with every line my hair develops a new curl pattern. And now I'm on the moisture journey, to be honest, and I feel like from her last line to this line, when I tell you, I just feel the retention of length coming back, the moisture. I'm just a little obsessed with what is going to happen. Quick review though, you've seen the method that I used. The split end therapy was definitely moisturizing. I think my hair like really soaked this up, guys. Like, I feel like this is not oily. I feel like, I don't know, you just feel the moisture on the tip of my hands. And just like with the last line, I have no residue, there's no stickiness to my hand. The smell is refreshing, it's clean, and I love that about it as well. I have my silk bonnet here, I'm gonna throw that on after, and I have my silk pillowcase. I'm gonna be sleeping like a baby and come back to you guys tomorrow to show you these final results, because I can already imagine the definition that this braid I was about to get. Going to bed right about now. But this is day 2 with my hair, guys. As you can see, it's 100% dry. You can tell by the bounce. That's the one thing I've noticed with this product. I feel like it, I don't know, it just brought this bounce back to my hair. So I know my curls are gonna like spring and add some volume to my hair. We're gonna take this hair down now. I'm gonna put some oil. What oil do I have actually? I'm running out of oil. It's supposed to be like a really nice day outside. So on nice days during quarantine, what have you guys been doing? Comment down below, let your girl know. For me, I've been talking to my cousins. Building a bond with my cousins has been like the center of my quarantine, and I feel like us building this bond has allowed us to learn one another more. It's giving me more insight from those years that I missed while in school, and I feel like, you know, we're beginning to truly understand one another at our core. Ooh, even with the takedown, it just feels softer than usual. Like with the Hawaiian ginger line, you felt the moisture as you were applying it, and with this one I feel like you feel the softness after. It's a lot more soft. The smell is probably not as potent as it was on day 2. Yeah, I did my hair 3 days ago. Actually, now I'm thinking about it. Did it 3 days ago, and this is day 2 of it drying. And it was completely dried, I think, like late last night, but I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm gonna take it out today because it's a nice day out. So, love it. Remember, when you're taking down your hair, like, use this part of your hair rather than digging in your nails, because that's where you can also stop most of the frizz that usually happens when you take down your hair. So we want to make sure that we are maintaining the definition that the product is putting to the shafts of your hair. So make sure you're using the inside of your hand. Well, your fingertips. Use your fingertips. There you go. That's the word. Look at that. Do you see that? I'm a little obsessed with this. Like, Mama Monique, you never fail me. Do you see the impact that this product has on the braid outs? I feel like this is a little different because it looks like my hair is crimped. Yo, I just feel like right now, the one thing that I love the most is the definition. I feel like if I would have did my hair a little bit smaller, it would have probably weighed my hair down a little more, but the fact that I did some big and some small is gonna bring more volume to my hair. And I knew that my hair would like spring up based off of like look at that bounce. I don't know. The Hawaiian Ginger line is like my second favorite of Mielle Organics. Like it has to be, because the one thing I loved about it is that it provided moisture back to my hair. And I feel like this line is also going to provide moisture back to my hair too, but it's also going to help me with my length retention. Mama Monique! I'm not even done yet and I'm excited. Like, I just feel like this is about to like frame my face. Like, I already see it.
Yes, pearls. Yes.
You see, for them to be big, like again, the crimp. The crimp. Like, I don't get it. Why did it make my hair so crimpy? I just don't get it. Like, how? And you've seen how big that entire braid was. Look at the definition they provided it. Mama Monique. Mama Monique. See, I can even grab my hair. I'm just like really shocked right now. I think my hair needed this during quarantine. This is exactly what my hair needed. This is what my hair deserves. This is my hair without any pick. Just look at the volume. Let me just separate these beautiful things. Hold on, let me separate this part right here. Just to like frame my face. Just to frame it, just to frame it.
Yes.
So this is my hair without picking it. Do you see this volume? Do you see this volume? Let's go at the pick. And I usually only pick from the roots, guys. I separate the front rather than like truly picking the front, because I also want some of that definition to stay. And usually when I want to continue with length, I usually pull it down in the front, not too much. You don't want to mess up them curls, so just a little bit. That's usually what I do to, you know, make it puff out a little more, to get my volume. I think I like it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, because by day 3 my hair is gonna have massive volume. It'll probably be like all the way out here, but for day 1 I'm like at a loss for words. Just look at how this one just like is just sitting down there. When I separate it and give it more volume, like, you see what that did for my face? I don't think I've ever, and when I say I don't think I ever, I genuinely mean it, I don't think I've ever seen my hair this defined. It's like I look like I have a weave in. Like I look like I have curly hair in. And that's the one thing that I really like about this. Like I didn't even have to spray the shine mist to refresh certain curls, and I kind of don't know if I even want to put it on here now because I just love the way my hair looks. Like it's so soft. The smell is so fresh. Like, you know, like when you just took laundry out and it's freshly folded and then you want to throw it on real quick. Like it's that natural smell. Like it's comforting. Like it gives you that calm feeling. And I feel like this product was beyond my expectations. Again, this line comes with 4 products. It comes with their deep conditioner. Then there's a shine mist. Curl milk, which is basically what they call their moisturizing milk, and then there is a split end therapy. So I used the split end therapy throughout my hair shafts and also at the very end, which I felt was very dry. As soon as I put this on, it was just like instant moisture. I don't even understand, like the way it sucked it up. It was like my hair truly needed it. And it says that you can use it daily, but I'm not going to use it daily today. I'm going to let my hair like rock out all day. And when it truly gets dry, I might, you know, throw some of that on again. It says that you can just add like a dime size, which I actually will agree. Like, and you see how much hair I have. A dime size actually went a long way with the section that I did. For each section, I put a little dime size, and that went a long way. Then I added it to the very end as well. So that was just for me personally because I wanted to see like what it actually did to my ends. And like looking at my ends, it looks so moisturized. It looks like I just got my trim, even though I got my trim 3 months ago. It looks exactly how it did from that day when I actually washed my hair. The shine mist, it says that you can add it to either dry or damp hair, and this can also be used daily. I would have sprayed it, as I said before, but I feel like my hair has like this natural shine. From when I was doing my braid out, I sprayed it directly onto my hair, so I feel like it still is providing me with that shine. And the moisturizing milk, while it isn't used daily, it says it's perfect for hydrating your hair and styling, and as you can see, honey, it did just that. And this is without any leave-in. Without leave-in. Added all the moisture that I need, hydrated every hair shaft, and absolutely obsessed. And this right here, if I did not buy a second one for my cousin, it would have been for me. It would have been the best thing that I did. To be honest, I don't even want to give it to her. I don't even want to bring all of these products with me to go. This is one of those things that you need to have with your hair necessities. Like the way this thing provided slip to my hair, and as I said before, finger detangle. Like I finger detangled in the shower. Come on now, when is it really one of those moments when you finger detangle for us black girls in the shower from a deep conditioner? And I'm all about all of these products. Like I don't know, like if it was not sold out, I would have been racking up, and racking up again. I'm not even gonna lie. Rice water collection. This is just my initial thoughts on it, guys. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And as always, be true, stay you, and I'm gonna keep it Sandra.